Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain about Boolean algebra operation. The first Boolean algebra operation is select operation. Students, select operation provide a facility to extract the record urgently, and this operation is represented by sigma. And how can we write the query by this operation? And this operation is not executed on the software. Only we have to guess, and we have to write on the logical way. For example, sigma price is greater than 14 and table name. So here table name is items. So students, all records of the item tables whose price are greater than 14 will be extracted. For example, this is the item table, and according to query whose price are greater than 14, so that record will be extracted. So this is the result of select operation. And here sigma city equals to Delhi, and table name is supplier. So from the supplier, all supplier whose residence is city will be extracted. And this is the AND operator. Sigma price is greater than 5 and price is less than 9, means all stocks or items whose price are greater than 5 and less than 9 will be extracted. And next operation is project operation. The student, this operation is also in operation, and that provide a facility to extract record vertically. For example, here, and this operation is represented by pi. The pi and supplier name city and table name. So here table name is supplier. So from the supplier table we are extracting only supplier name and the city. So that record will be extracted vertically, means column wise. And this is the Cartesian product operation. I have already explained about the Cartesian product or cross join in the SQL chapter. The student, in the Cartesian product we can find the combination of two tables. For example, in the here first table is student and second table is instructor. Suppose that if we are finding Cartesian product from these two tables, then first table every row will be merged with the all row of the second table. That's clear, means rows will be multiplied and column will be added, and this Cartesian product operation is represented by cross. That's clear. If there are two tables A and B, then its Cartesian product will be represented by A cross B. And here you are also look seeing the output. Meenakshi records will be merged with the all row of the second table, and so on. And Radhika records will also merge with the all row of second table. And next is union operation. The student union operation will represented by U sign, and union operation extract the records from unique record from first table and unique record of the second table and the common record of both table. And it is necessary to in the union operation both record degree will be same. Suppose that there are two tables. In the first table there are three columns, and in the second column there are three tables. Then the union operation will be possible. But if the first table has three columns, but in the second table there are 5 or 6 columns, then union operation is not possible. So here I am taking the union operation song, union, drama. So here songs unique records plus drama unique records and common record means one times common records. So here common record is kush. So kush is coming only one times, and then unique records of drama and unique records of the song. And which column will be come in the union operation? So here I am writing song. The song is the first table, then its column will come the roll number, name, and age, and this table's record will be extracted at the last. Next operation is set difference. Students, what is the meaning of set difference? This is the set difference. The set difference operation is represented by minus, and according to this operation only unique record of the first tables will become. For example, here there are two tables A and B, and if we are writing set difference operation like A minus B, then A table has unique record will be extracted, and common record will not come. For example, here first table is drama and second table is song. So drama minus song. So drama minus song means whose record is common, that's why it is not coming, and Swati is the unique record of the drama table. That means this record will be extracted. That's clear. Next operation is set intersection. So students, what is the meaning of set intersection? Set intersection operation will be represented by opposite of U, and set intersection operation provide a facility to extract common record of both tables. For example, here are two tables. First table is drama and second table is song. Then its unique record is kush. That's clear. And comparison of data models. So students, there are three types of data model. First is relational data model, next is network data model, and last one is hierarchical data model. So in the relational data model, information will be represented in the row and columns, and in the network model, information will be represented in the hierarchical form, and its relationship will be represented by pointer link. But in the hierarchical model, that hierarchical model is same as relational model, but relationship will be not represented by link. This is the last concept of this chapter. This is the last concept. Students, you have to revise these chapters, and I am giving homework of this chapter to complete. That's clear. And the next video I will continue next chapter. There are some questions like, what do you understand by primary key? Give the suitable example of the primary key from the table containing some meaningful data. So students, you have to write primary key. Already know, primary key provide a facility to uniquely define the records of the tables. And this is the item table, and these are the column: item number, item, and the quantity. That's why item number is the primary key, because it has the unique records. What do you understand by the candidate key in the table? Give the suitable example. So students, here is student's ID and student name and the hostlers. Here the student's ID is the unique records, that's why student's ID is the primary key, and instructor ID is also primary key, and this is the Cartesian product. That's clear. So you have to complete the all unsolved problem from these chapters, and from the next day I will begin the next chapter. Bye.